Today we're going to be building one of our very popular slot and lock shelving units. It's a 5-shelf unit, 1800mm high, 900mm long, about this long, and 400mm deep. And we'll show you how it goes together now. So with the 5-shelf unit, we have 5 shelves, of course. There's actually 8 uprights because we actually use a joiner to get the full height for the 1800mm, which I'll show you shortly. We've got all of our front and back supports, the side supports, and lastly we've got some nice little tabs for the feet so that you don't scratch the floor. And the only tool you'll need today is a mallet, and I'll be wearing safety glasses. So standing up the upright, you can actually space the shelves wherever you like. I am going to put my base on the lowest one, just give that a little tap, and then we'll put the side one in and do the same thing. We're now putting on the second shelf, which will actually be in the middle of the unit, and we'll put that one on one hole down from the top. So that hole there we leave as a spacer for the joiner that we'll put in next. Now that we've put our second row of beams in, we're going to put our joiner in. Just give that a tap, and then we'll be able to extend our arms up. And the second part of our upright. For the shelving unit that we're building right now, we've chosen to centre the shelf for both sections, the top and the bottom. So if we put it on the 11th hole down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll use that one there, and that'll give us the middle line with the 22 holes. And for the bottom section, there's actually 18 holes with the way that we've spaced them today. So we'll use the 9th hole. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once we've put in our 5 rows of shelf rails, then we've got our centre shelf supports. With the tabs on the end, you actually just need to bend those to 90 degrees, like so. We do that at both ends, very easy to do. Then we'll position that inside of these rails and slide it in to the front locator, like so. Done. 4 more to do. And we've got these great little feet that'll just protect your floor from being marked and keep the unit just that little bit more stable. Now it's time to put in our 5 shelves. What you'll actually notice is on one side of the shelf there's a mitre, and when you clip them in, that'll actually stop the corner from breaking, so that's why they're designed that way. So we'll start at the base. So there you have it, our 5-shelf unit, 1.8 metres high, 900 long and 400 wide. It's a great unit, black powder coated steel with MDF shelves. Another quick install, probably 5 to 10 minutes. And our 5-shelf unit can of course be set up as 2 separate units, 3 shelves on one and 2 on the other, so you can simply connect them together. You could screw or bolt them together. You could even turn one on an L shape for a tight corner. So there's actually 3 different ways you can build this fantastic slot and lock unit.